Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Another useful and informative video. This video which is about how to fix, turn off and turn on automatic brightness on any iPhone. So I will request to my all friends subscribe and share and like my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more latest new tech video for you. So fix this issue as do not waste any time. First solution is open the setting and then you scroll up and then click on brightness and then click on true tone. He is turned off and back and you reopen the setting again and click on accessibility and then click on display and text size and scroll up and then click on auto brightness turn on and your problem will be fixed and your problem 100% working on your iPhone. If third solution, you open the again setting and then click on general and then click on software and your mobile software update to install and your problem will be fixed. Hopefully guys, after watching this video you will all know. If you have any problem, so please let me in the comments box. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Do not forget subscribe, share my YouTube channel.